Hello friends, my name is Akshay. Welcome to my YouTube channel Math Board Education. So in today's video lecture, we will learn the solution of quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay. So before learning this, let's see the few formulae. Okay, and remember this formula and note down into your notebook. Okay. So first formula is the x minus a x plus a, okay, x plus a bracket square. Okay, so we will write this formula as a x square plus twice ax plus a square. Okay, so this is first formula. The second formula is x minus a bracket square. Okay, so x minus a bracket square is x square minus twice ax plus a square. Okay, and the last third formula is, okay, so third formula is x square minus a square. So we will write this as x minus a in first bracket, or in second bracket x plus a. Okay, so these three formula are important before learning the solution of quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so first formula is x plus a bracket square. Okay, so in this formula we write the square of first term, that is x square. Okay, plus 2 into multiplication of both the term, that is 2 twice ax. Okay, and the last term is the square of second term, that is a square. Okay, so likewise we have written the x minus a bracket square as x square minus twice ax plus a square. Okay, or in third formula we have the x square minus a square is equal to in first bracket x minus a, or in second bracket x plus a. Okay, so these three formula are important. Okay, so let's see the one example so that we will understand why it is need of the solution of the quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so if we consider one example such as x square plus 10x. Okay, x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so look here, we have the 2 in the constant term and the 10 in the coefficient of the x term. Okay, so here we cannot write the two factors of the 2 such as their sum is 10. Okay, so due to this we have to reduce this equation to the complete square, or we have to solve this quadratic equation by the completing the square. Okay, so likewise there are some quadratic equation where we will not write the constant term into two numbers such as their sum should be the coefficient of the x term. Okay, so for that equations we have the method to solve the quadratic equation by the completing the square. Okay, so here we are going to compare the first two term to the terms in our first two terms in our uh, first formula, that is x plus a bracket square is equal to x square plus twice ax. Okay, so we are going to compare this x square plus 10x to the x square plus twice ax. Okay, so by comparing this we will get x square plus 10x is equal to x square plus twice ax. Okay, twice ax. So by comparing this we will get twice a is equal to 10. So from this we have a is equal to 5. Okay, so from this we will get a square is equal to 25. Okay, so if we add the 25 in the in our given equation, okay, in our given equation we will get the equation in the form of complete square. Okay, so by adding this 25 into our given equation, okay, into our given equation. Okay, so we have x square, we have x square plus 10x plus 25. Okay, plus 25, or we are also subtracting this 25, so we haven't made any changes in this equation. Okay, so plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so in this way we have reduced the given equation. So from this first term we can write this as our first formula, that is x plus 5. Okay, here a is 5 bracket square, hence the sum of these two is minus 23 is equal to 0. So in this way we have reduced the given equation to the complete square. Okay, so now we can solve this by reducing to our third formula. Okay, so we can reduce this to our third formula, such as x plus 5 bracket square minus root 23. Okay, so we can write root 23 square, okay, is equal to 0. So we have this equation in the form of x square minus a square. So we can write it as x minus a in first bracket or x plus a in second bracket. So from this we will get x plus 5 minus root 23, okay, is equal to 0, or x plus 5 plus root 23, okay, x plus 5 plus root 23 is equal to 0. So by solving this we will get the solution of for our quadratic equation. Okay, so by solving this we will get x is equal to root 23 minus 5, or x is equal to minus root 23 minus 5. Okay, so these are the solution of our quadratic equation by the completing the square. Okay, method of completing the square. Okay, so let's see the one example from the practice set 2.3. okay, so let's see the example number 3, that is m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. Okay, so m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. Okay, so write down first this equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have m square minus 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this equation by completing the square. Okay, so here we can compare this m square minus 5m to our our uh, m square plus twice am. Okay, so twice am. Okay, so from this m square plus, that is m square minus, okay, so m square minus twice am, so m square minus twice am. So we can take the formula for any variable from a to z. Okay, so here we have variable as a m, so we can reduce our formula of x minus a bracket square to m minus a bracket square. So we will get m square minus twice am plus a square. Okay, so from this we can write minus twice a is equal to minus 5. So we have a is equal to 5 by 2. So we have a square as 25 by 4. So we can reduce our given equation to the complete square by adding these 25 by 4. So if we add this we have to subtract it. So we haven't made the changes in our equation. Okay, so our equation is reduced in the form, okay, so our equation is reduced in the form m square minus 5m plus 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4, okay, minus 25 by 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so from this we can write, okay, from this we can write m minus, okay, so here is minus sign, minus square root of this is 5 by 2 Okay, so bracket square minus addition of these two, so we have the minus 25 plus minus 25 plus 12. Okay, plus 12 minus 25 plus 12 minus 13 by 4. Okay, minus 13 by 4 is equal to 0. So now we can write this to the form m minus 5 by 2 bracket square minus root 13. Okay, root 13 by 2 brackets square. Okay, bracket square. Okay, so we have this equation in is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So we have this equation in the form of m square minus a square. Okay, so we can write this like, okay, we can write this like m minus 5 by 2 m minus 5 by 2 minus root 13 by 2. Okay, is equal to 0, or m minus 5 by 2 m minus 5 by 2 plus root 13 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so by solving this we will get the value of m. Okay, so by solving this we have m is equal to root 13. Okay, so root 13 plus 5 by 2. Okay, or from the second equation we will get m is equal to minus root 13 plus 5 by 2. Okay, so these are the solution for our quadratic equation by method of completing the square. Okay, so this is the solution for our equation. So in this way we have learned the solution of quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so thank you friends for watching my videos. Please like and share videos and subscribe my YouTube channel Maha State Board Education. Okay, so thank you friends.